Taking advantage of our industry experience, we will help you develop fast food products. We will develop menus, provide packaging resources, and machines to manufacture onigiri, sandwich, sushi, and more, starting from the popular fruit sandwich. We look forward for cooperation.
Automatically packaged triangular and round ONIGIRIs for efficient production. Can be opened widely for easy removal of onigiri. Automatic packaging machine used. Can contribute to labor saving and rationalization. Let's take a look at actual production in a factory. Onigiri are being formed automatically. The ingredients are placed on top of the onigiri, and the seaweed is also placed on top. From here, it is automatically wrapped. Onigiri packaging is completed. The switch and control panel are wrapped to keep them clean. POS label and product name label are automatically attached. Automatically package onigiri of various shapes for efficient production. This film can be used to wrap various types of onigiri for easy removal. This machine can contribute to labor saving and rationalization. Multiple onigiri in a tray and onigiri lunch boxes can also be wrapped. Let's take a look at actual production in a factory. This machine can contribute to labor saving and rationalization. POS label and product name label are automatically attached. Onigiri has been completed. If you found it helpful, please click subscribe. If you have any questions about how to make it, please email us.